Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We have new house plan, very small house plan, and for the small land, very beautiful house plan. So I request to you see this details in this. You continue this video because very small land for this house plan. So you better understand, then you can use this layout. So I will start this details. This details is 15 feet front into 40 feet length. This house plan not included the outside wall, inside wall all included. So we will start these details. So you can see this details. You see this video until the end. You will watch the continue because so you can understand this all details, then you can use this layout plan. So we will start this video. Before I request to you, if you new on my channel, so subscribe my channel and like this video. So start this. This is front entrance is this veranda. This veranda entrance is 6 foot 1 inch into 9 feet 5 inch length. Then second door enter to dining hall. Dining hall length is 18 feet 9 inch length and 15 feet width total. This dining hall with attachment is kitchen under the stair and attachment also the stair with there is nearby toilet and bath. So you can see there front side guest room details is 8 feet 3 inch width and 13 feet 3 inch length. This is guest room. That is the dining hall with the kitchen and attached stair. This stair details is, you can see this stair is here, and this one toilet and bath. Toilet is 4 feet length, 6 feet 11 inch width. Okay, then back side biggest bedroom, that is the 11 feet length and 15 feet width. 11 by 15 feet, that is biggest room. So you can understand this all details. So all around is the ventilation. You can use the ventilation. If you have side space, you can all around you can use the ventilation. If not space, you can use how your space you can put the ventilation. So our details is, this is our details, and outside wall not included, inside wall all included. So I will show you in the 3D this plan, how to look this plan front 3D. And enter the dining hall. See, dining hall right side is a stair, under stair is kitchen. You can see the kitchen set, and second flat under the stair you can pass the toilet bath door. Okay, then front side one guest room. This is a guest room, and this is the veranda. Okay, that is the your dining hall. Okay, and back side is, this is a back side is one bedroom, and they are nearby stair nearby is the one toilet and bath. This is my details. You can see around the look like this details. Very small house plan is very beautiful for the small land. So if you have 15 feet into 40 feet you have a land, so you can use this plan and enjoy. So I hope you understand all details. So I will end this video. So thank you for watching this video.